A few weeks ago, I had a plumbing disaster in my kitchen. It started to flood. I had no idea what to do to turn it off or to solve the immediate issue. But I also knew that Cardinal was my maintenance contract. So I had every confidence in calling them after hours. They took the information, and within 5 minutes I had a technician on the phone, talk me through what I needed to do, was very calm, very level-headed, kept me from a complete panic, and talked me through what I had to do to shut the water off to the house. And so in the morning after, I already had somebody calling me from Cardinal, and within an hour after talking to customer service, I had a plumber here making sure that they were taking care of not only shutting the water off in my sink, but giving me water back to my house, which they did with a smile. It was a fantastic, calming experience, and I knew that Cardinal would be the service provider that would give me the peace of mind that I needed in the crisis.